Today's episode is gonna be nothing else. This one is a DS18 600 Pro 300MB, right? But DS18 launched brand new product. If you guys sleeping on the DS18, they pumping left and right a lot of good products. So here's the difference. If you have DS18 6PRO in the MR version, this is a Pro 300 MR. As you can see, 300 watts. They're both exactly the same. I'm gonna play the music side by side. You guys are gonna see like how these sounds, right? This kind of paper is from the dev ones. Arnold's, they very loud speakers for the smaller amount of signal. And this is another product from DS18, right?